Wish I could smoke a blunt with you for the last.
Wish I could smoke a blunt with you for the last time. Dark thoughts, please God, hand a flashlight. I was taking hella shit, yeah, last night. And I regret a lot of shit, yeah, that's right. And I got a lot of love for the bad type. Diamond ring and I gotta get it baptized. Keep it clean, I don't wanna give him flat line. On the scene cause I'm tryna start a damn fight. What you see in my eyes is the pain and lust. I don't know who to trust, don't know how to love. You can think this shit a song, but I'm throwing up. Cause I'm sick of this life and the boring stuff. I'ma keep this shit light, I don't know what's up. Should I even fucking strive, should I open up? Should I pour another cup, you see what I'm on. All this dope and this liquor and I got it gone. When you cry to yourself, think about this song. Don't you ask how I feel, I don't even know. How the fuck I'm supposed to feel, thought he was my bro. How the fuck I'm supposed to feel, thought she was my hoe. How the fuck I'm supposed to feel, I was fucking broke. When I saw my mama cry, it turned me to a ghost. Now I'm chilling with the guys with my wrist on froze. You don't know how it feels, always told no. Keep it real, you ain't never been solo. Yo Z, why you never let us know, bro? I was on bad terms, kills me every day. We gon' keep screaming your name till we in the grave. I don't know what to do, don't know what to say. If I ever live twice, kill myself at 8. Go ahead and roll the dice when the risk is great. Wish I could smoke a blunt with you for the last time. Dark thoughts, please God, hand a flashlight. I was taking hella shit, yeah, last night. And I regret a lot of shit, yeah, that's right. And I got a lot of love for the bad type. Diamond ring and I gotta get it baptized. Keep it clean, I don't wanna give a flat.